Hi everyone, here we've got the EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Here we've got the backup option, so let's tap on it, and in my case it is turned on. If you've got it turned off, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher. As you can see here, we've got the account option, so let's tap on it in order to successfully add a backup account. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on Next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so all you have to do is simply read it. Just make sure that this option is turned on, so your device will back up things like apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on Accept simply. And here we've got again the same info, so here you've got listed all what the backup includes. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, so from now on all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.